Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today I want to share with you again very simple recipe with a couple ingredients in it. So as we are in a summer season and as I love to spray stuff on me because it's very hot in here, so I came across this Floral Body Mist recipe on internet. And I did change few things around, so you be as well confident to change essential oils or floral waters up to your preferences. So what we're gonna need a spray bottle. I have in here a 100 ml spray bottle. So the main ingredients in this is going to be aloe vera juice, which help us to keep our skin hydrated, and then it's going to be glycerin. Glycerin will keep our skin moistured. Okay, so what I want to add now here, I will add 10 milliliters of glycerin into 100 ml bottle. Okay, that's fine. Now I'm gonna add 30 milliliters of aloe vera juice. So 30 is here. Aloe vera juice, it's very good for your skin, as you know that. And I chosen 3 essential oils. So I have Frankincense Essential Oil. This is gonna work as a base note, and I'm gonna add about 5 drops of it. No, come on. Okay, 5 drops of Frankincense Essential Oil. I really love Neroli Essential Oil, and I'm gonna put about 20 drops of Neroli Essential Oil. It's very nice smell, very summery. I love it. And I'm gonna add a Bergamot Essential Oil as a top note, so I'm gonna add about 5 drops of Bergamot Essential Oil. Yeah, perfect. And what I'm gonna do now I'm gonna top it up with my rose water. So guys, be conscious, be aware. You can use maybe if you have a lavender floral water or orange blossom or chamomile or something else, and as well you can mix it up and you can choose different essential oils, because that's what I have chosen. And we're just gonna top it up, and it's gonna be, oh yeah, just about, it's gonna be all of it. Perfect. Yeah, up to the top. So 100 ml of the nice floral body mists. Perfect. I loving it. It's very refreshing, it's lovely. I love it. I love it. Yes, so as I said, choose your own essential oils, and as well you can choose your own floral water. Just the main ingredients is aloe vera juice and glycerin to keep your skin hydrated and to keep your skin moisture. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below, and check out my other videos. See you next time.